For today's ganap, papunta tayo sa client natin dito sa Kibungko, Davao del Sur. Davao City, I mean. Tapos ito yung mga gamit natin. Hintay lang tayo kadali ng motor. So, nandito na tayo sa client. Nagbaba na ako ng personal gamot ng refund. Nag-video na rin ako. Tinintay ko lang maluto yung gamot. And after that, we'll have treatment and colors for the hair. Ito na ang finished product natin. Yan. Smooth and silky na yung hair niya. As you can see, straight na, bagsak, and shiny. Again, thank you so much, client, for trusting Touch of Elegance by Janelle Lopez, or your Jello is in Davao City.